Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Drink turmeric this way once a day and watch what happens to your liver and brain function. A lot of people have by now heard that curcumin is the agent in turmeric that makes it have the orange color and makes stains easily with yellow. Is a potent inflammation and can reduce cancer and can kill their cells. Right? Once you know this, you will want to take the benefits of it easily that are accessible and not cost at all. Turmeric's powerful health benefits can go from curing colds to killing cancer cells. In between, reversing chronic inflammation is as preventative of autoimmune disease as it gets with food items. To get the curcumin from the turmeric through the digestive system, it needs to be heated in a saturated fat with black pepper. The more potent curcumin capsules should be enteric coated to avoid getting the curcumin from being degraded by stomach acid. The active ingredient from black pepper, piperine, is often added to enhance cellular absorption. That is why the natives from India and Southeast Asia heat turmeric in fats, usually whole milk or coconut oil with black pepper. This is easily duplicated in the kitchen with food ingredients. And other ingredients are added for better taste and even more health benefits. Putting it together. To make this turmeric tea by the cup, here's what you need. 4 teaspoons of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. 1 or 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder. A pinch of black pepper, freshly ground if possible. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of raw honey. A half cup of warm coconut or animal milk of your choice. Boiling water. If you want to make more than 1 mug benefits from this beverage, you will need to extrapolate the amounts proportionately. Either way, here's the mixing method. 1. Fill the mug or larger contain halfway with boiling water. 2. Add the turmeric and ginger. 3. Cover and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Stir in the cinnamon, vanilla extract, and raw honey. 5. Add the warm milk of your choice. Add the pinch of black pepper to maximize bioavailability. In addition to what's mentioned about cancer cells and inflammation, turmeric's curcumin improves liver health by tonifying liver tissue and encouraging bile excretion. Boosts the immune system. Eases cold and flu symptoms. Detoxifies the body. Prevents internal blood clotting. Pretty potent stuff, and with the other ingredients added, could be tasty too.